Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a little Revive Essential Oils haul to share with you guys. I needed to order a diffuser to do some videos that I'm planning for them, and while I was on the website I saw that the new laundry soap had launched and I was just really excited, so I ordered a couple of things. So this will be pretty quick. It's not a huge order, but I did want to share, so I could share these things in detail with you guys. This is a diffuser, and I actually do not have a Revive diffuser, like an ultrasonic diffuser. I have both the car diffusers, I have the wall plug diffuser, and I do not have a just normal bedroom or living room diffuser. So I got this one. This is the Revive Petals ultrasonic diffuser. Then I have a pack of soaps, this and this, to get this big box out of the way. This is more hand soap. I like to stock up on these around the holidays and germ season. I have the pumpkin pie ones right now, but these are the Protect. So this is a blend of essential oils similar to Thieves if you use that brand. But this is wild orange, clove, cinnamon, 2 cinnamons, eucalyptus, rosemary, aloe, but that is the blend of essential oils similar to Thieves. So it's going to help with germs and extra things like that. And it smells really good. It also just smells really like Thieves, or this blend, Protect. They also have an immunity boost blend that I actually have right here. But these types of blends with the cinnamon, the rosemary, the eucalyptus, clove, they just smell like fall too. So I like to use them, one, because they smell good, and then two, because they work really well. And now that I'm thinking of it, I think the immunity boost is the one that's like Thieves. They all have similar oils though, but this immunity boost is lemon, clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary, and I think that's what is the Thieves blend. So anyways, they have immunity boost soaps too, but I like these soaps. They come with pumps, they look nice sitting on the sink, so I like to stock up on those. I got a essential oil blend because I wanted to get a new blend just because I got a diffuser. So I got 5-Star Hotel, and I was like racking my brain and searching everywhere because I thought I already had this, but I think it was just on my wish list and I didn't get it, or I got it and gave it away before I used it. Either way, I don't have this currently. So this is Chinese weeping cypress, Himalayan cedarwood, amorous guaya wood, yuzu, orange, lavender, lemon, bergamot, rose, labdanum, hoe wood, lavender, geranium, carrot seed, lime, patchouli, litsea, ylang, osmanthus, juniper berry, saffron, davana, damania, and galabrum. It's super tiny and hard to read, so it's such a huge blend. Yes, so when there's 20 essential oils like that, 15 to 20, it's going to smell more similar to a blend of a candle or a room spray, a room freshener. It's going to smell more like fragrancy, if that makes sense, because it's just such a huge blend. You're not going to be able to pick out, like, oh, that's rosemary and eucalyptus. It's such a beautiful, oh wow, I can't stop smelling it. It smells amazing. I'm gonna have to put this in the diffuser right away. This smells so good. Honestly, 5-Star Hotel, I don't even know if I've been to a 5-Star hotel, so I can't say that it smells like one because I don't know what they smell like, but this smells amazing. It is sweet and homey, but also just like fresh. That smells so good. Holy moly. This I'm super excited about because I love that they offer other products. Revive is one of my favorite brands because they have the variety. They have the cleaning, they have the laundry and home products, but for the longest time they only had the, I think it's the Immunity Boost. Now I'm getting these two confused. I think it's Immunity Boost laundry soap. So let's see. This is $26. It is 100 loads of laundry. It's 6 times concentrated and it's lavender. And sometimes it's supposed to smell like lavender instead of Immunity Boost. So I wish they had this during the summer because it's funny. Now I do really like the Immunity Boost in the laundry, but oh, that smells really good. It's really strong. So this has 2 bottles of lavender in it, and then all of the soapy laundry soap ingredients. So they're clean, plant and mineral based, baby and pet safe, no SLES, dyes or phosphates. vegan, cruelty-free, works with all washers, including high efficiency and conventional top loaders, front loaders. We have a front loader. It works well for us. Safe for septic, safe for hard water, and then it tells you how much to use, blah, blah, blah. So this one I'm really excited for. And it is dye-free, it is color-safe, dye-free, breaks up stains with plant-based enzymes for a natural clean. We really like this, and I'm so excited to have a new scent finally. Let's open this diffuser and get some 5-star hotel blasting. That smells amazing. So we have a lot of different gatherings, and we host a lot in the fall and winter, like the school year, I guess, season. So I really like having blends like this because not everyone just likes to diffuse lavender or whatever, where this smells more like, I hate to say, like more of a normal candle type of thing, but if someone doesn't like essential oils or the smell of them, a blend like this is your best bet because it smells really good. Oh, this is cute. Pull. Here is the diffuser. Oh, it's really cute. So it's kind of, you can see the shape of the top of it. It's really cute and different. I'll give you the specs on this in just a second. So the water tank is 200 milliliters. The coverage is 320 square foot. Usually when I just have a diffuser this size, it's good for a large bedroom or a living room. And when you're diffusing in a small space, just make sure you're doing intermittently. Hopefully that this has that setting. There are 7 different light colors. There are 3 options: continuous, intermittent, 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off, and then off. Light, 7 colors, and then there's a timer. So set the timer, the amount of time that you would like to run the unit. So there is just a timer little button there too. So 60, 120, or 180 minutes. And the intermittent mode runs for 8 hours. Continuous runs for 4, unless you do a timer. So make sure you know exactly how you're running and how many drops you're putting in and where you are. If you have pets, throwing on a diffuser can be really simple, but also you just have to be mindful about who's around you and what you're diffusing, things like that. So I will set this up quick. So I'm thinking I can just use some water from my water bottle quick to spill out into here. So here is what it looks like when you open it up. And I'm just gonna work, oh, perfect. I'm just gonna do, it has a little measure, I love that. So, oh, it's so sketchy. There's lines for different measurements of water, where normally diffusers just have their capacity or their fill line. This will show you. So this is cool, 100 milliliter and then 200. So you can run it with that much water, and then it will just obviously run for a shorter amount of time. So just be mindful of that. The plug goes on the bottom. Ooh. And then I'm gonna add probably 2 to 3 drops of 5-star hotel. Oh, it smells so good. Also love, a lot of diffusers have multiple pieces for lids and it's hard to get back together. This just has one lid and it looks like, so we put it this way. Then I'm gonna go on, I'll go through the lights. Hopefully you can see the different colors. Whoops, I pushed the wrong button. We're on. Lights, no, it's not. Oh, maybe it just blinks through all of them. And there's the timer. So I'm gonna run it for 1 hour. Let's see if the color changes by itself then. I feel like the color's not changing. Maybe there was a light mode that I pushed. No, it should let me. So the light function's not working, I don't know. Maybe it will start to cycle through the colors after a minute. Oh, it smells so, oh, there we go. It is changing now. So this is a cool diffuser, it's easy. I love how simple it is and all of the settings, so I'm happy with that. This, love so much, always. All of their hand soaps, I get all of the seasonal ones. Summer of Love is one of my favorites too, that we're just coming off of, and now we're into fall. Go buy this. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a coupon code with Revive. If you want that, it will be on the screen or down below. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.